Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Hyundai Veloster, stock number 6158. This ran from the 7th 2012 to the 2nd 2018. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,